This is the first time we meet in face to face.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah,
It
it's
is.
a great opportunity. Actually, I'm really excited about it. And we did meet each other like around, I don't know,
Around once a month,
yeah, 10
virtually.
times maybe.
Mm.
We did like video calls, and it was really very nice experience because actually the first time ever I had like mentorship in my life, and yeah, this is the first time ever, and I had like this very like good feelings about it. I gained a lot of experience, a lot of skills. I always remember her advice when I do, like, for example, job interviews.
So Furat is so inspirational. I see her as my reverse mentor, Jim. Today is the first time we met face to face, and I love a 3D experience. But honestly, I think it just, it's like it embodies the essence of the program. It's about that genuine, authentic connection as two human beings learning from each other. And sometimes I feel like a mentor, but sometimes I feel like a mentee because you inspired me with your spirit of resilience. You talk about remembering my words, but equally, I remember yours. When I'm having a tough day, I think about all the things that you've been through in Syria and Turkey and in the UK. And time and again, you would step in, and the leadership capability that you've demonstrated in your humanitarian work, but also the support that you've given your community. It extends beyond, the realm of pharmacy, of chemistry, and all the other pieces of work that you've taken in that time in your journey
Yeah, I
here.
believe in this relationship. We went like beyond the mentorship thing. We make like our relation like kind of therapy to each other actually. So I feel like all the time I'm because here I came alone, so I want these kind of supportive connections with people who has experience here in the UK and trying to encourage me. I want that. I don't want to be like feeling I don't have anyone to ask or anyone to like seek a piece of advice, for example. So Freda was this like great woman who supported me during my journey, and I'm really grateful for this.
You supported me equally. You inspired me with your story so much. I think about you all the time and the journey that you've been through. I think we connected so much, Furat, because we shared values. We put our families first. We
Yes.
often talked about, your family back home in Syria. I talked about having, parents when they first immigrated to the UK.
Hearing these inspiring stories and learn from others' experiences and trying to understand how people like coming from different backgrounds and still seeking the opportunities and trying to thrive in a different environment and in different context. And yeah, for me, I didn't expect to find that in common things between us, but I was surprised at finding a lot of things in common, and which is really like make me like feel more about or think more about how maybe other relation with other people should be, and how can I develop my social networking more and my connection better by like maybe trying to find um, something in common with
Something
others
in common.
and
Yeah.
then build on it when we are at similar age, and we have like similar responsibilities in
Yeah,
regards
at
our
home and
families
with
and
the
home and
families.
the work and everything. So maybe this is make the mentorship also success, because it's like more about having in common things and also about having this in common interests.
It is, to me, it's a leadership capability to be able to mentor, but also receive reverse mentoring and feedback, feed forwards, coaching from our mentees and learning from them. Especially, I guess, in this digitally disruptive age where we're learning every day. We're all like kind of just pivoting. Those relationships are going to be so important. We learn from our mentees. We're inspired. We gain insights from them as much as they learn from us. And of course, a diverse workforce, a diverse perspective is exactly what we need to have those cross-boundary solutions. New discoveries are made through diverse perspectives, so it is so important.